Hey y'all, so I came on here today in order for me to do my perm reset. Yeah, so I was watching Curly Cries today. I don't know if you guys, if you're in the natural hair community, you should know who she is. But she did like a really bomb perm reset. I typically like her perm reset. And there's another person, but I can't think of her name. She's from Michigan. Yeah, but she does a really good job on her perm resets. So this is freshly washed hair. I also deep condition my hair with the Mielle Babassu and Mint deep conditioner. So if I said Babassu wrong, my bad, but you know, it's this one. Yes, Love and Stuff makes my hair feel tingly and it makes it feel moisturized after using it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this detangling conditioner by As I Am. And then I'm also going to use Jane Carter Solutions Wrap and Roll. Yeah, I'm going to use this in order to hold it. I am using the orange perm rise like she did. So we'll see where this gets me. But yeah, so I have my hair sectioned off in 4 sections just like she did. She didn't use the exact same products that I used, but I feel like these are similars and this is something that I had. So we're gonna make it work. We're gonna use what we have. Yeah, because that's what we do in these streets. Okay. That's what we do around here. But yeah, so I'm gonna use these products and we're gonna see where that gets me. I did section my hair off, obviously into 4 sections, you know, and she was saying like you should use like, you know, like maybe a ½ inch of hair. So we're gonna use that ½ inch of hair, right? And I'm gonna put these products on as I'm going, you know what I mean? Now she used oil on her hair when she was doing it, but she said that you don't have to use oil in your hair if your hair is easily weighed down. And my hair is easily weighed down, and I plan on taking my hair down with, you know, oil on my hands. So I didn't want to put additional oil on my hands. And plus these products have oil in it. So I'm just not going to use oil. But yeah, so, and I didn't detangle my hair. Let me let y'all know. I did not detangle my hair. Okay. But I'm okay with that because, like I said, this is detangling conditioner. So as I'm putting this in my hair, I will finger detangle in a sense, you know, just to make sure that my hair is straightened out. I'm also going to go through with this right here. You know, I actually really like this. Yeah, and you see, that was super easy. Look, super easy to slide and glide through. And I'll show you on the next piece of hair, like how much of the this As I Am stuff I use. But I'll show you right now how much of this I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this much. Okay. Now I might add more because it looks like from her video you're supposed to have like a lot on your hair, you know, to make sure your hair is like really straightened. And she said pay attention to the ends, like really pay attention to the ends. So we're gonna pay attention to them ends, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit more because I really want my hair to come out really well, okay? And I'm just gonna make sure that this is really smooth, okay? I feel like I used a nice amount. Ooh, baby, listen. All right, so we're putting the perm rod on. We are going to make sure we start at the end where the rubber band thing is. That's a little bit something like what she said, okay? And I am going to wrap that around. And the reason that you want a lot of the product on there, this foaming lotion, is because you want to make sure you get it real smooth, okay? Real smooth on there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure I get it real smooth on there. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit more because listen, nothing wrong to happen. And then we're gonna roll it up a little bit, okay? I'm gonna roll it up, and then she did a thing like this. Look, ooh, look, ooh. All right, and now we got it on there. Now y'all saw me wrap it. I'm gonna probably do another one to do a little bit better. But yeah, so you want to make sure that it's on here like this, right? and you see the rubber band part, look, we're gonna go around back and we're just gonna pop that thing on there, okay? And it's not gonna move. It ain't going nowhere, okay? It ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna keep it going. I really hope that my hair turns out well. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be so upset. Okay, I'm gonna put some of that product on there. Put a little bit more at the bottom. I'm like real big on my ends, okay? You gotta protect those things. And now some of my hair is coming out, but that's not breakage. You know, it's just because, remember I told you guys, I have not detangled my hair at all. You know, so some of my hair is shedding. Not a lot. I didn't get a lot of shedding. I'm super happy about that. Ooh, y'all can hear it, can't you? I promise it's not breaking it. Ooh. Okay. Y'all hear that? Ooh. That's the scary sound sometimes. But it's okay. Something wrong with me. Ooh. Okay. This is real life, y'all. Okay, so listen. All right, so now we all detangled. See? Boom. I see all that product. All that product. Baby, listen. Okay, that's all right. Now, we're gonna go for that foaming. Okay? Foaming lotion. I like to put a little bit more on the ends. And last one. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, we're so excited about this. We're gonna put it at the end again. Set at the end. We're gonna roll it, control it, roll it up. There we go. Okay, girl. Now we can twist it, twist it, twist it. She's secure. Okay? She's secure. They ain't going nowhere. But next, I am going to sit under the dryer and I'm going to see how this, you know, came out. Okay? Okay. All right. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. So it's the next day. I did the eyebrows. I did my lashes today. Okay? That's all I did. No makeup on because my skin was acting up and I was like, we need to now wear makeup for real. So yeah, but but we're back. I think my hair is all dry. Now, in order to take down these perm rods, what I'm going to use is the Moroccan oil. I'm gonna use Moroccan oil because it's really light. You know, I usually like to use jojoba oil whenever I'm taking down a style, just because jojoba oil is very light too. But you know, this will do, and I don't have any jojoba oil. Jojoba oil. Nope. So this is the you know, the revealing time. Let's see if I did a good job. Let's see if this came out right. Let's see. I'm excited. We're gonna start with the back. That first one that I put in, okay? Whew, Jesus. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Y'all see that? Oh, baby, listen. Come on now. All right. Why am I so excited? I'm so excited. Let's see. Let's get another one going. Get another one going. Ooh. All right, let's see. Yes! Oh, okay. If you can't tell, I'm excited. I'm super excited about this, y'all. This is so dope. Listen. I have never done a perm rod in which it came out really well. Oh my goodness. Listen, I'm only going to a stylist for cuts and okay. All right. That was the You see, if you don't do the ends correctly, they will come out a little weird, but we're gonna fix that. You see? I just twirled it around my finger in the direction that the curl was going. Okay? Let's do a few more. Look, I gotta get a little closer just so that you guys can see what we're working with. And I'm going in the direction that I have the curl on here. Yes. I'm gonna take down the rest of these and I will let you guys know how this went. Okay? I really am. I will be back, okay? I will be back. I'm so excited about this. Man. Okay. And we're back, okay? And we took them all down. Listen, look. I started separating a little bit in this section. I'm super impressed. I'm super happy with the results. I think it came out very, very good. I don't see any white residue on any of my curls, okay? For the most part, all of the curls stayed intact, so I'm very happy about that as well. You see that curl? So if the ends, like I said, I want to keep my ends curl, and I really don't want to manipulate those. So I am going to separate from the root, for me at least, and just pull it apart in about threes. Okay, and if you need to redefine it, go to the back, go down to the bottom and just, twist in the direction of the curl. Okay, so just so y'all can see it a little bit better. You see that? Yes. See it? Yeah, okay, cool. So this is the end result, okay? What y'all think? All right, curl still defined, but see, with my hair, my fro, my texture and everything, I have like 4C hair, so my hair shrinks like just all the way up. And I didn't really stretch my curls. I kind of want to stretch them, but I don't want to over manipulate my hair. And because of the fact that I sat under the dryer for this hairstyle, okay? So I sat under the dryer for maybe over like an hour and a half or so, and I know like a lot of people stretch their hair with heat. I don't want to do that. Okay, so what I ended up getting was some bobby pins, because we about to try to make this work. Sure, we about to try to make this work. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of my hair back, like the sides. Okay, the sides back, just because I want it to kind of frame my face a certain type of way. Okay. Same thing over here. Let's see how this comes out, because like I like it maybe after it's like a little stretched more so. I would like it a little bit better. Put a few more up in here front. Let's see where this takes us. Okay. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put one in the back to make it kind of drop. Let's see. Okay. All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following me. Thanks for watching. Please, like I said, like, subscribe. I'm going to try to be on here way more because of the fact that I just want to build a community, you know, of people. So, yeah. See you guys.